on? This your boy, ain't that Ja? I'm old. You know, one thing Ja hate is motherfucking cleanup, bruh. I'm finna leave the jack here, I ain't gonna lie. I know I might need this shit. On my damn car. Hold on.
Man, I step off in the club with my mug on me. Outfit on shot with my chain on me. With a nine up in my pocket, someone going to Boogie Lean. Put your hand up in the air, that shit ain't hard in the scene. I Boogie Lean. Boogie Lean.
Now tie it down. I'm gonna put my finger. Right in my pocket and I'm like, Boogie Lean. Wow. I can bring this to the tire. I can get new tire. Ah! Fuck! So I stopped playing around. Right in my pocket and I'm like Pookie Leak. So this shit cut through my gloves. Tire almost up. It's your boy, ain't that Ja? AKA Pookie Leak. I'm out. Cleaner, cleaner. Everybody cleaner, cleaner. Is it just me or when they play that song in kindergarten and preschool, motherfuckers just start cleaning up extra fast? Like the process of cleaning up wasn't even a problem anymore after that shit. Cleaner, cleaner, everybody cleaner. Oh, like playing fucking Tetris in the trunk, bro. What the hell? What the hell? Damn. You know, all the motherfucking tools and shit. One tire in the face of the fucking car. Look at that perfect trunk, though, Che. Tell me it ain't perfect. I'm motherfucking tired. This shit better be done by now. Whoa! Oh, yeah, it's supposed to be 32. I was about to say. It's 35. Hey, chat. Hey, female. If you don't know what your PSI is supposed to be, it's always on the inside of the door. 32 PSI. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna smoke though. Wow, this shit fill up.